3.
Greetings, my name is Lauri Patterson. I reside here in the United States. I'm actually located in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. My experience with AdmitMaster has been an excellent experience. The first experience I had with AdmitMaster is that I actually attended a math refresher, a GMAT math refresher webinar, and that's where I met Sergey. I was very interested, enjoyed the presentation, and then I actually went to the AdmitMaster's website, signed up for a one-on-one consultation. Sergey himself called me, and we had a great discussion about what my previous experiences had been with preparation for the GMAT. I've invested a lot of money in preparation for the GMAT, as my educational career definitely has taken me to have to take the GMAT. And so after Sergey actually talked to me about their program, I was really excited, kind of refreshed, and really wanted to see what AdmitMaster was all about. I signed up for the live online classes because unfortunately we had hit the pandemic. And in signing up for those classes, I had the great privilege to meet Tristan, who was my instructor. Tristan is an excellent instructor. He kept each live online class very interesting. From the first class to the last class, we were able to be very interactive with him, ask questions, great slideshow presentations, actual on the board experiences with going through different problems. The testing strategies that you learn just with AdmitMaster, the actual way that the course is actually structured, not only to take you through like the test taking abilities, but also to, enhance your skill with actually taking standardized tests. And so I've had an excellent rapport, or built an excellent rapport with AdmitMaster. Sergey actually holds tutoring sessions. Over the summer, they were on Mondays and Fridays, and so now they're just on Mondays. And so those tutoring sessions really help students kind of gain their confidence, help them understand how to actually break down questions. So Sergey is a great coach. He's a great advisor. He's also a great instructor as well. And so just looking at the AdmitMaster staff, looking at their actual GMAT prep course program, I have had nothing but tremendous help from them, and it has been a very great experience for me. It is definitely an excellent program, and I can definitely say that finally my return on investment was actually given back to me by actually joining AdmitMasters. So for those of you who are contemplating on whether you actually want to do a live online class and actually make the investment in yourself to actually prepare for the GMAT, I would definitely tell you to go with AdmitMasters. Join the AdmitMasters family. It's more than just test preparation. It's actually preparing you for your graduate career. And so I highly recommend AdmitMasters, and I definitely put my stamp of approval on it. And this is coming from someone here in the United States.